We're going to do a brief video combining day trading, moving average, and algo trading on a intraday USD JPY Japanese yen chart. So let's take a look here. We've got a Japanese yen, dollar against a Japanese yen chart here. It's got a 1 minute chart, and it's got a 5-minute moving average and a 20-minute moving average on here. And then it's also got a blue 200-minute moving average, which we can ignore. So what we're going to do real quick is we're going to take a look at the yen, and we're going to day trade it using a crossover system that gives us exact entry prices. So if we can expand this real quick, we're just going to come through here. What we're looking for when we're using moving averages on a 1 minute chart, and you can use this on the S&P 500, you can use it on currencies, you can use it on a lot of things that are liquid during the day. So what we're looking for is a rising 20 bar moving average. Keep in mind it's 1 minute. So 20 bar moving average, 5 bar moving average, and then price. So what we're looking for is a rising red bar, which is the 20-minute, and we're looking for price to be above the green and the red bar. So, and we're looking for a close. So just as soon as it starts to rise, we don't want to mess with it when it's flat. But let's go right here at the 13, let's call it the 1400 hour. We can go this roughly 2 o'clock. So we go 1400, and we can go right in here and take the close, which is 144.64. So we're going to see if we can get in the next bar at that 144.64, and we could barely do that. So we could get in, and so let's say we're in at 144.64. So now we're in the market. Now you have several ways you can get out of it. You can just tape read it and stay in it, but you definitely want to get out of it if the price closes below the 20 bar. So let's, for this purposes, let's just say as long as the price stays above the 20 bar, you're going to stay into it. In other words, the close has got to be above the 20 bar. And you can see it would have taken you all the way up here, and this bar right here looks like it's getting ready to close below, so you could close out. And if we closed it out, you can see we got in down here at 144. And wherever we got in here, 144 point, what was it, 0.61, and we could get out all the way over here. Let's just call it right here, 140.67. So that's a very simple, easy way to trade all day long and do what I call bird feeding. You just get in and get out over and over and over again, make a very small amount of money, but easily enough money to add up as you do it 3 or 4 times a day. Now, you can see this yen is particularly choppy, but it's not always like that. But it's a choppy currency to trade like this today. But you could, this is 1 minute chart, so this is all today. But you could easily do it. Now, the other thing you want to keep in mind is you can do it on the short side as well. So we have, I don't want to go all the way back up here, we can easily do it. But as soon as you see this 20 bar start to go down and the green 5 bar close below it, it's the same thing. We're just looking for a price to close below it. So we know it's headed down here. Let's take this huge drop right here. I'm at 1024. You just take your close, which is 144.54, and see if we could get in 144.54. So we could get in at 144.54. We could just get out right here, and that's 144.45. So you could have picked up almost whatever that is, 9 pips very easily without messing around with any of this sideways movement. You've been out in less than 5, 6, 7 minutes. So it works both on the long side and the short side. That's day trading using moving average. Let's take a look real quick and try another way to do it with algo trading. What we want to do is fix this chart and get it to the daily here, or we can use a variety of things on here, but let's get it to the daily. So this is a daily chart of the yen, and let's expand it a little bit. And we go down here to RBAM Research entry prices for currencies, which we put out every morning before 7 a.m., Monday through Friday, and we find the yen. We go to the 1 day column. Now, normally you would buy or short on this column, assuming your own analysis said it was a good idea, and hold till the end of trading the next day. Take your profits as soon as you got them, or close out at the end of the next day at a loss. But you can day trade with this column as well, assuming your own analysis backs it up. So this says today to short at 144.43. So let's go up here and see what that would have done for us. 144.43. So the market traded through that, and the low was 144.15. Let's go to an hourly chart and see if we can make some sense of it. This is an hourly chart of the yen. And we can see 144.43. Was this bar right here or this bar right here? 140. Yep, this bar right here, 144.43, and the next bar down went all the way down to 144.14. So a ton of money to be made there day trading using our algorithmically generated prices. So you have a way to trade to day trade currencies using moving average. You also have a way to trade them using our algorithmically generated prices, assuming, of course, your own analysis backs it up. And as you can see, we offer entry prices for cash forex Monday through Friday for the major forex pairs: the euro, the yen, the Aussie against the dollar, the British pound, the Canadian dollar, the Swiss franc, and the New Zealand against the dollar. So we have those for not only long-term trading from 1 to 20 days, but you can also use the one-day column. Again, if your own analysis backs it up, gives you some entry points to take a look at and to compare to your own analysis for day trading. So there you have it. You can get everything that we've got at rbamresearch.com, absolutely free, no credit card required. There's a link in the description below. You just head over to RBAM Research, sign up with your email address, absolutely free, and you get access to 190 of our algo trading entry prices. The major forex pairs, as I just showed you, BTC for crypto, we have fantastic entry prices for crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, we have fantastic entry prices for the SP 500. But keep in mind, it's all for entertainment purposes only, and it's all for you to use as an aid. Can't use our entry prices for anything other than entertainment. And everything you've heard on here, including my commentary and our entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. And you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And we'd love to hear some comments from you in the comments section if you have something to say about day trading, algo trading, or moving average.